Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing it my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain, you know.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy King J, 2003 Game Master here. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing video, and let's see what's in the box, shall we? I got the case for my PlayStation 5 headphones. I got right here, and you guys, it can fit. And it looks nice in the case. Just see the texture of it. See how nice it is. And you can zip it up. And I got the protector case for my PlayStation 4 portable. And let's see how it looks like, shall we? And as y'all can see right here, I put the screen protector and those two blue things on there, and a protective case right here. And see, it looks nice. Kind of like reminds you of the PlayStation Vita. I'm trying to get the bubbles off of there, but it'll probably come off eventually. And let's see the case, shall we? And it can fit, you guys. I hope I'm doing this right. Is this how you do it? Yeah, so I put it right here. Take that on there. And I put the charging stuff on there. And I put my charging stuff on there and instructions. And you gotta zip it up. And you see, guys, it works. See, looks nice. And finally, say the best for last. I got Last of Us 1 and 2. You can see right here is The Last of Us Part 1. And we'll look at the game, shall we? See right here. And I'm gonna show y'all the back of this. See how nice it looks. Wow. Looks so nice. I remember this came out on the PlayStation 3 back then. And here's The Last of Us Part 2, the remastered. Okay, you guys, that's it for today's video. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. And I'm going to dash out. It's been a while since I say that.